Photographers, when a potential client hits you with a "we're going in a different direction and we'll keep you in mind for future consideration," just know they are never contacting you. Just know your price is too high and they don't exactly see the value in the work you do, and they're gonna get photos from somebody far cheaper. To be honest, I'd rather them just say, hey, my price is not in their budget and they're willing to work with me. Because 9 times out of 10, a photographer may be able to lower the price to fit your needs if you're willing to work with them, because you like the work they do, you respect their craft, and you only want them. You know what I'm saying? Some clients, or some potential clients, are way too prideful, and instead of saying, hey, we can't afford that at the moment, they just message somebody else and leave you hanging. Most of the time, they don't even say, hey, we're going a different route. They just ignore you, and they tell you that once you message them back again. I have no shame in saying that I can't afford something. If I tell you that and you're not willing to work with me, that's fine. I respect it. Get your money, but just not from me. I told you first, and I opened the door to negotiation. Most clients don't do that, and they should. I could be wrong, but I'm probably right. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and follow for more videos like this.